Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the struggles of van life and what can happen sometimes. In this case it's breakdowns and repairs, and here as you can see I'm needing a towing, and it's the second time in this month. There we go again, guys. Good thing I'm filming you. Just waking up, guys. Alright guys, we made it to the garage. Hopefully we can get everything fixed today. That's how it goes around here. Napa brings some parts and they bring it to here and they fix your car. Alright guys, so the damage was about $400, he said. We're taking a walk right now because they're working on it. Hopefully it's gonna be fixed soon. We're just doing a circle and we might do it a couple times. I'll keep you guys updated. So apparently the van is fixed. It's cheaper than they said at first. I'm gonna go test drive it, and my brother Adam is coming to see me. Going for a little test drive with my own van. I'm gonna go test it and I'll be right back. Oh, she's good now. Now here's where we're gonna really test it. Usually would have gave me a problem right now, and now it didn't. Yeah, it seems good. We're doing another circle, and I'm pretty happy because it's been doing this for a couple weeks now. So that's awesome. So okay, stop doing it. I'm really nervous that it starts doing it again. I think that's normal when you just got something repaired on your car. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had this feeling happen to you. Anyways, I'm going right now to tell them thank you and to pay the bill. So, yep. Hey guys, my van is fixed. Go enjoy the journey. Let's go. So this is day 2 of coming to see for my little seal. I don't think he's here today though. Guys, we're on our daily walk today. This is an awesome place, hey guys? Nice. That's the Rexton Bridge. It's really nice, but it's kind of snowing. It's snowing, guys. Oh my lord, this looks like it's gonna snow a lot. What's up guys, I hope you learned something in this video. This is absolutely what can happen when you're living in your van. Like I said in my previous video, my top expenses are breakdowns, repairs, food, and gas. Those are my 3 main expenses living in my van. So that's gonna be the video for today. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. So much love, and we'll see you guys in another video.